channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to the skin tends to shed every month. Now this shedding is known as dead skin cells. Now dead skin cells is what causes your skin to look dull, and sometimes you look at your skin, you can see like it's peeling, it's dry looking, rough looking. That is the dead skin cell. Now the dead skin cell is going to go because it have, as I said, around about a 28 days turnover. But if you want to speed up the process, then you need to exfoliate. Now exfoliating the skin is vital for clear, bright, radiant, glowing skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to share a facial scrub. This facial scrub can also be double as a body scrub. It's good to exfoliate the face, the neck, and décolleté, and it's also good for your armpit. It's good for your dark knees, your dark elbows. It contains a vital ingredients such as vitamin C that are known to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin, and the granules in it is so effective that when you apply it on the skin in circular motion, it just gets rid of the dead skin cells. So if you're looking for a facial scrub which can be double as a body scrub that you can whip up in your kitchen using just a few ingredients, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to show you the full detailed recipe, and I'm also going to share all the ingredients, the benefits that they have on your skin. Now, before I jump in the kitchen, we have launched the Khichi Beauty skincare collection, and if you're interested in those, we also have facial polishes. We have blueberry, we have coconut, we have turmeric, we have aloe vera, and we also have vitamin C. So if you're interested in those, visit my website. I'll put the link right here for you, and grab some facial polishes. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up.
Now we're going to start off with rice, and today we're using white rice. We're using rice for its vitamins and minerals, but we're also using it for its exfoliating properties. I have gone ahead and I have blended the rice to more like a coarse sugar. You do not want to blend it to a powder, just enough that you can feel those granules on the skin. So I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of the blended rice. I'm pouring this in my small glass prep bowl. And then I'm going to reach for some sugar. My sugar of choice is brown sugar. And you're using brown sugar that have a fine granules. If the granules are too large, go ahead and give it a blend. So I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of the brown sugar. If you do not have brown sugar, go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of the white sugar. Now the difference between brown sugar and white sugar is that the brown sugar is softer than the white sugar, and this is better for the skin than the white sugar. So we're mixing the rice with the brown sugar, and we are mixing well. So take a look at the texture that you want. You want it to be not too fine but not too large, good enough exfoliating the skin. My next ingredient is going to be some tea. Today I'm going to be using some black tea. However, you can use either black tea or a green tea. You can even choose to use some chamomile instead. Black tea is rich in antioxidant that help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and also help to smooth the skin. We're mixing this in, so we're mixing rice, brown sugar, and black tea. Now I'm going to reach for my next ingredient, which also have antibacterial properties. This is some honey, and honey is a humectant that help to lock moisture in the skin. 1 teaspoon of honey. And now let's move on to another moisturizing ingredient, and this is going to be some coconut oil. Coconut oil works similar to honey by locking moisture in the skin, hydrating the skin, softening the skin. I'm using a teaspoon of the coconut oil. You can use oil of choice, rosehip seed oil, pomegranate seed oil, aloe vera oil. Use the oil that you have. Now let's get to the liquid, and my liquid of choice today is going to be milk. You can also choose to use some soy milk. You can use some green tea. You can even use some orange juice for this liquid. So I'm going to slowly pour the liquid in. We're not using a lot, just enough to saturate the dry ingredients. So pour a little at a time, starting with about 3 tablespoons of the milk. Pour this in, and now we're going to mix it in together. We do not want this to be too watery. What we're looking for is just more like a muddy, slushy texture. So mix and mix well. Now, once this is done, guess what? Our facial scrub slash body scrub is ready. If you're into fragrant, you can add a little of your favorite essential oil, just one drop to this recipe. Now let's pour this in our storage jar, and I prefer to use a glass container. Use whatever storage jar you have. So now let's pour in, and our mixture is ready to use on the skin. To use this, you are gonna wet your face, and then you're gonna take a small amount and you're gonna massage it all over the face, the neck, and décolleté. If you're using it as a body scrub, go ahead and do the same. Wet your skin and then exfoliate your entire body. Also remember, this is good for the knees, this is good for the elbows, and this is also good for your inner thighs. So go ahead and use it and store this in the refrigerator or store it in your bathroom. However, use it up within 7 days. A quick and easy facial exfoliator that can help to transform the skin, take your skin from dull, rough looking skin to a more brighter, clearer, and a more naturally glowing skin. One thing I forget to mention is that if you have a lot of blackheads and whitehead, if you have oily skin, this is your recipe right here. Steam your face if you can and use this on the skin. Give it a while to work, or do it for at least a month or so, and then guess what, guys? Come back and thank me later. That is the quick and easy recipe. Now, if you are interested in more facial polishes, more exfoliating products, you can check out my website, ALESMAXii.com. We have a variety of facial polish from aloe vera to carrot to turmeric. I'll put the link in the description for you. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to watch another video that we're going to be posting right here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.